Standard 8 Maths Chapter 1 Rational Number. Hello everyone, in our previous video we have studied about various property like property of closure, property of commutativity, property of associativity, and in this video we will learn how to apply this property in questions. So we will discussing exercise 1.1 in this video. So exercise 1.1 first question is this one. So to solve this question, we must first pick the terms which have something in common. So do you find anything in common in these terms? So our answer is this 3 by 5 is present in both these two terms. So we can group these two terms together. We can write like this. This 5 by 2 will remain as it is. Now here which property we have used? Property of commutativity. What? Property of commutativity. We have changed the sequence. Okay. Now in these two terms, as we have already said that 3 by 5 is common, so we'll take 3 by 5 outside. What will remain inside? Minus 2 by 3. From this, minus 1 by 6. Now what is this? If you remember property of distribution, what does it say? The property of distribution, it was like distribution of multiplication over addition and subtraction. It was like, so the reverse is also true. So this is a reverse form. Now we can solve this. 3 by 5. So first we have applied commutation, then we have applied distribution. So I hope this must be clear to you. Now we will take up next question, next part of this question. So we have to proceed like we did it in previous question. So first we have to look what is common between these two terms. Now do you find anything common like this 2 by 5, this 2 by 5. So we can group these two terms together. We will write 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. This is 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. This term will remain same. So here we have applied property of commutation. What we have applied? Property of commutation. This minus 6 upon 35 plus 2 upon 70 minus 3 upon 12. So we can reduce this term. This will become 1 by 4. This is minus 10 upon 7 minus 1 by 4. We can further reduce this minus 10 upon 17. So it will be minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. We'll take that LCM. This is minus 4 minus 7. This will become minus 11 upon 28. So this is the final answer. I hope by these two questions, this concept of application of commutation and distribution will become clear to you. Now, question second. We have to find the additive inverse. What we have to find? We have to find additive inverse. So in previous video I have told you what is additive inverse. Additive inverse of a number is that number which when added to the original number will give the same. Sorry, that will yields 0. Additive inverse of minus 2 by 8, what it will become? I have said the additive inverse of a number is same as a number but with the negative sign. So it will be minus 2 upon 8. What will be additive inverse of minus 5 by 9? It will be same 5 by 9 but with positive sign. Minus 6 upon minus 5, it will be 6 upon 5. 2 upon minus 9, it will be 2 upon 9. And final 19 upon minus 6, additive inverse of this will be 19 upon 6. So clear? Now question number 3.